Got to watch way early this morning. All right, we're getting in right when they open up. Let's go. And of course, we're headed to the back wall, straight to the back wall, 40% off. Picked up some black cats right there. Oh, I should have got those. Those are a size 10. I didn't even see size 10. Damn, I was so busy looking at other sizes that I didn't check the size 10s. Because I still have mine. I could return mine. I saw someone grab some of the Kobe cleats over there to be able to get that stuff for 40% off. I don't know why I didn't check my size. I was busy checking other sizes. Tripping. Got some SB dunks right here. These are size 9.5. 40% off SB dunks. Pretty freaking insane. Got Jordan 1 hot OGs right here. 180 though. What are these? Oh, I've never seen these. Next gen right here. They are going for 170 though. Zoom Fly 6s, 170. They don't have that many refurbs here. That's one of my favorite things about this spot, but not many refurbs here. Oh, he found some Kobe's. Those are huge sizes though. Looking for some basketball shoes. I might have to try these. 40% off, 140. Got some dunk lows right here. These are going for 120, size 9.5. Thinking about these. I'm thinking about them. Let me look around some more though. Got some Cortez right here. What's this? Oh, I thought it was 3M. Nah, not 3M. Definitely interesting material. 100 for those. Got some Jordan 39s. These are 8.5. Jordan 39s. Got full box, everything. They gave us a full box. Pretty dope. Be able to get these for 40% off. That is 2 bills though. A little too high for my pockets. Damn, I'm mad at myself for not seeing those Black Cat 3s. That is what happens when I'm buying for other people primarily. I wasn't even looking for my size, but yeah, I should have checked my size real quick, but it is what it is. I would have saved, what, 60? I would have saved 80 bucks, 80 bucks on those because I would have returned my pair, but this what it is. Got clearance shirts for $13. Get another 40% off of that. A bunch of different color JDI shirts. Clipper jerseys right here, PGs go for 80. Remember, you do get an extra 40 off. Herbert jersey 175. 65 for this small hoodie. Lakers shirt double XL loose fit, triple XL, 50 bucks. And even stuff here at regular price, not too bad because that 40% off definitely does help. ACG pants 110, that is a small, way baggy. It's dry fit. These look really small. Yeah, these are small. 80 bucks. Got some sweats right here. 45. Got some regular sweats right here. Nocta. Oh, got some Nocta pants right here. 130. But that 40 off makes it worth it. Nocta shorts as well. $49. Normally 70, and then you get another 40 off, so not bad. We got some huge, freaking huge tech fleece right here. $90 for these. The clearance section, do see these right here, 8.5, going for, what is that, $110? Jordan 1 highs. I was like, that's a women's, right? Yeah, that's a women's. These going for hella cheap now. The Blazer acronym, 70 for those. GT Hustles, what they talk about, 120. Those acronyms right here down to $40. Another 40 off on top. Was that 24 bucks? Go Flies right here, $90, size 5 men's. Jaws, some of you guys suggested the Jaws for the kiddo, 90 bucks for those. Kill Shot 2 leather, 75. Got these in a size 10, 180 though. Why are they asking for the full price? Guess they're giving us 40% off, but still 110. Another one of the Jazz, like a USA colorway, 90 bucks. Got some of the Zions right here, size 11, 140. KDs, 160. And the bigger sizes, still not that many refurbs. 11 and a halfs right here. Air Forces, 125. Some Sabrinas in a crazy huge size, 90, $80. Oh, starting to see some extended size pricing in the bigger sizes. 120 for the Cosmic U83s. Another one of these right here in a huge size. Oh, size 11. It's in the wrong section. Air Max 1s right here, 110. 60 for these. GT Academy, 68. Pegasus 40s. Look at that price, $38. So that's what, $20 after the discount, $22. LeBron Next Gens, 120. Air Max 1s right here, $150. Okay, $80 for those. Still searching for some basketball sneakers. See what they got in the aisles. Do got a few of the Jaws. The price on this one, real nice. Got these going for a few dollars more. Of course, got plenty of the budget signatures. That one's a little high though. But we know that if you're patient, these will eventually go down. Pretty much all of them. This is what I'm looking at right here. The price on these, so freaking low. Some Next Gens. Got a couple of those. One of the older ones, price going down. $60, definitely a deal for those. All white one right here. Plenty of the Field Generals. We've been seeing a ton of those. Got some SBs right here, the Heritage Volks. Got a few different colorways. Alley-oops going for way cheap. Got some of the Take 2s. These are the Westwood budget signatures. Then got some of the Team J's, aka non-signatures, generics, the no names, the ones that you guys don't really ask for. Got some Air Max 2017s. The sneaker of 2021, was it 2021 or 2022? Flight Legacies, going for a little bit too much. Whatever that was, that thing sold. Damn. Air Force 88s. Air Max 1s. Material on these look hella nice. I'm good with the color though. Only a couple sizes left. 8, 9s, 10 and a halves. Got some of the Air Spans going for the price I want to pay. Burrows. And then running shoes and stuff. Not too much going on. We have been seeing the Invincible run 3s in some of the aisles. Not here though. Not here. Damn, dude. These are slightly tight, dude. Slightly tight. These are 10 and a half. They fit super snug. Usually 10 and a halves are pretty loose on me. Dang it. What I hate about buying sneakers for other people, don't know their exact size. I'm looking for size 11 and a size 8.5 women's. But the two girls that I'm buying sneakers for right now, yeah, they got the Kobe's. They picked up the Kobe's. One Vanessa Williams. When Vanessa Bright was at, when she was at Eaton Canyon, and they were giving out the shoes, and they picked up Kobe's and they didn't fit. Kobe's are tight. These are a little bit tight too, so I'm wondering. Like I said, these are high school kids. I wonder if they'd like this color. A couple of girls. I know them, but I don't know them like that. Wondering. Do I get this one? Do I stay patient? Do I hit up more stores? $51 for these. Such an amazing price. Or should I just grab these? They could match these with anything, but also sizing. There's definitely an issue with these at $60, dang it. These Jaws right here though, the price on these are also hella nice. Like what the girls rather have. These, I know cushioning wise, these aren't like the LeBrons. But you're not as picky when you're a kid, right? I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna do some gambling and I'm gonna see what happens. Checking some more clearance apparel. Look at this Tech Fleece hoodie right here. Might be one of the cheapest prices I've seen them. Look at this, $80. Another 40% off. So it's $48. $48 for Tech Fleece hoodie. Double XL jacket right here, fleece jacket, $30. So is that $18? Looks like they're getting rid of a lot of their winter gear. $65 for the LeBron. It's like a double XL. $30 for jacket. They got a few of these $30 fleece jackets. On a few different sizes, that is. UCLA hoodie right here, $75. Jordan attire right here. These sweats down to 50, 30% off. Los Angeles Jordan t-shirt, 25, 30 off. Got some sweats as well as a hoodie. Guess you can get a combo, 30% off of that. Sweats going for 80 as well. Tech fleece right here, 30% off. This is the new tech fleece too. This is the newer design. Holy cow. $95, 30% off. They got them in a bunch of different colorways. This is the like I said, the newer tech fleece, the 2024 release. $95. They got plenty of sizes, plenty of different colorways. Was that 6 different colorways? And then the all black jacket right here, 30% off, $99 for this one, $95 for the one on the other side. Oh wait, 6 different colorways, and they got more right here. $95 for the white looking ones, and they got digital camo, $99 for these. Got multiple digital camo ones right here. But yeah, they got tech fleece on sale. All right, moving on to the women's section where you also get 40% off. They also have refurbs here as well. Size 9 right here, $140. Damn. Really liking the material on these. All suede. Color's pretty freaking dope too. $140. Normally 2 bills, you get an extra 40% off. Another one right next door. $130 for these, size 10s. $130 for the gold and white. GT Academies right here. These are $60 freaking dollars. Really? That is just hella cheap. I got these as well. GT Hustle $170. Got the Jordan hair right here. $110. What is this right here? Air fryers go for $60. Laser $63. Metcons $170. Pegasus 41 size 8 go for $80. What these go for? This is a good price. $125 for 8.5. Definitely a good price, especially with that 50 off. Yeah, these don't look clean at all. What the hell? Air Max 95s. All right, did I say 50% off? I'm at 40. And look at these. What the hell? What the hell? What's going on here? $70 for those. Those are definitely not gently worn. Another one of these go for $125, size 8.5. Vaporfly Next Percents $185. I'm looking for one of these in a bigger size. They got a bunch of these in the smaller sizes, but not the size that I need. These are Alpha Flies right here. The Next Percent 3 is $285. That one says $285. Does this? Yeah, this one says $219, but it is a smaller size. And then this one, same size, it says $285. Prices are everywhere on these. Look at the small size. Oh, dang it. So I did scan these. It showed that they have a different color in a size 9 women's. They're checking on that. Because, yeah, it might be a hell of a deal. I got one of the workers looking on that. We are starting to see more of these Pegasus Plus, $180 for those. I did peruse the huge sizes, see if they have some invincible runs and that type of stuff. I didn't see anything. What are these going for right here? $110 for those. Pretty decent price for the Pegasus 41s. Oh wait, we got some refurbs. What's up with these? Site $90. Dang it, I don't know anybody who needs an 8.5 though. 8.5 men, size 10 women. Damn, that's a hell of a price. That is such a good freaking price. Wow. Oh my God, that's under $60. Under $60. I just paid $51 for these. For another one. That's a hell of a price. Size 11.5 women's. $110 for the OG Jordan 1 lows. Sabrina 2s. Oh, this is a 5Y. 5Y going for $80. Nike by You V2Ks $160. These are size 11.5 women's. Jordan 1 Comfort 2s right here, $110. Size 10 women's. Metcons right here, size 12 women's. These are $75. The worker did find me one of these Alpha Fly Next Percent 3s. I know a couple people running marathons. Yeah, one of the homegirls at work. Yeah, she did ask me for one of these. These are $120 Are these like 110? I think it'll be about 110. Like I said, 117. But I also did buy the Invincible runs. Should I grab these? Should I grab these for her to see if she wants some? Let me text her right now. Don't see anywhere on these. These are only rated for like 200 miles or something like that. So you definitely don't want to get them used because they don't really last that long. But yeah, man, dude, that's a hell of a deal. I think I'm going to grab them. I haven't heard back from her. I'm going to grab them. She doesn't want them. I guess I could just return them. But yeah, 117 for these bad boys. Definitely a steal. All right, definitely grabbing these. These are 60% off, over $150 off. Pretty freaking insane. All right, before we get into the women's aisles, let's see what I got on feet. Do got some SB Dunks. These are court purple. Freaking love these, man. I just love SB Dunks. Material on them, always on point. Just, material's just so good. But yeah, wearing tech fleece, wearing Lakers gear, and court purple. Matches Lakers gear, that's what's up. Then in the women's house, we always got plenty of the free Metcon 5s. Pretty decent prices. Air Max Theas. I feel like they've had these here for like a year, man. Forever. Then of course Air Max 270s. Got a couple different colorways. And of course plenty of blazers. Got plenty of blazers. Also got regular Dunks here. Got a few regular Dunks. This one, the material not bad. The toe box leather, pretty mediocre, but that suede is hella nice. I got some Jordan 1 Low OGs. Got these up to a size 10. These up to size 10, 11 and a half. Jordan 1 Low slips. And we got the camos right here. Got them up to a size 11. Price is pretty decent on them too. All right, at least I came up with one dub for somebody. Dang it, I missed out on those Black Hat 3s, which happens when I'm looking for other. Man, I need to focus on my own stuff. But yeah, all right, whatever. It is what it is. I'm trying to help a few other people with some sneakers right now. So I guess I came up on a dub for somebody. Came out to 117. Not bad, not bad. That was a 200. What, $150? I don't know. Pretty solid price though.